stakeholders, and where the Philippines was one of the 50 countries that were pilot tested. So we were ranked, within the in terms of the infrastructure, we rank high, top 40%. It is really in the implementation of the reforms that we have been developing over the past years that really need improvement. So, ang ginawa natin sa ARTA, we consulted lahat ng mga government agencies, lahat ng mga private sector stakeholders, members, officers of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce, of the Philippines Management Association of the Philippines, to address specifically issues on starting a business, closing a business, trade facilitation, all the 10 sectors of the Business Ready Report. So today we launch it. This is going to be a live document. We kumuha po tayo ng inputs, comments from all the stakeholders at incorporate po natin ito Philippine Ease of Doing Business Reform Guidebook. Ito po yung mag-guide sa atin first, short term, medium term, and long term. So yung short term ito, immediate, like this year, to 2026, and then medium term, 26 to 2028, and the term of the President Marcos administration ends, and then 28 to 2040. So nakalatag po ito lahat. Ito po, ako really very confident na pag na-implement po natin, I'm very confident that we will be able to implement this because nakalatag po din sa reform guidebook. Hindi lang yung guidelines, hindi lang guidebook, kundi pati na yung how to implement, how to monitor the compliances, and how to study to come up with the impact study of the reforms that we have made. This has been subjected to maraming pong consultations ito, workshop, write-up, with the guidance and support of the World Bank Group. Kaya po, we're so confident of this reform guidebook at ako po tulong-tulong tayo. I'm sure because of our appointment by the President as the focal agency in terms of implementing reforms initiative to comply with the Business Ready Report of the World Bank, this will really advance our economy forward. At confident po dahil we have the support not only among government agencies but even the private sector. This is when who will be affected by these reforms that we reform guidebook that we have launching today and we will be definitely implementing.
Sec, with the launch of this reform guidebook, kasi